Having a monetized TikTok account goes with a whole lot of exclusive benefits. Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to get monetized TikTok accounts. So the first thing you have to do is to click on your profile icon. Clicking on your profile icon, you just have to click on three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on accounts. So I have a personal account which is very necessary to get monetized on TikTok. Without a personal account, it's going to be difficult for you to get monetized on TikTok. The next thing you have to do is to head straight back. Click on three lines found at the top right corner again. Click on TikTok Studio. So right here on my TikTok Studio, I just have to click on view all. So these are the analysis of a monetized account. But before you get monetized, you must have up to 10,000 followers. Right here at the top, you see the balance of amounts you have on your TikTok, which you can withdraw and transfer to your bank account. Let's head straight to know the requirement of getting monetized on TikTok. To monetize a TikTok account, you must have meet certain requirements, including number 1, age. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have at least 10,000 followers. You must have at least 100,000 video views in last 30 days. Video length. Your video length must be longer than a minute. Your video must be original. Your video must pass moderation. Your account must be at least 30 days old. You must have a personal account. You must live in a location where video gifts are available. So guys, now you know the requirements of how to monetize your TikTok account. If you have the intention of monetizing your TikTok account, with these ideas, I believe you'll be able to work on it and get your TikTok monetized. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do not forget to ask all your questions on the comment section. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.